fixing to go and check out the city and see how bad this blizzard actually was. Wow. This is gonna be interesting. See how good my Subaru actually is. Wow, the snow is deep. This just doesn't happen in Austin, Texas. This is the biggest snow event I have ever seen in Texas. Wow. I'm gonna go do something reckless and irresponsible. It's 11, 12 degrees and we're covered in snow, and I'm gonna go ride around on my Subaru. I have X mode, so we're gonna activate X mode. There's X mode. What this does is it gives you a readout on the power distribution to all the wheels. This is like super traction control right here. And this is supposed to be able to handle ice. And it worked awesome yesterday. This is gonna be interesting. Car's in good working order. I've got a sleeping bag, I've got water, gloves. I'm wearing my mountaineering jacket, my big puffy mountaineering jacket. And I've got on thick super thermal underwear with some winter pants. I think I'm good. Yeah, I think I'm really playing with fire here, but as you can see, if you can see my tracks there, those tracks are deep. Those things are like 6, 8 inches deep. Well, no, this has, man, how much, oh man, look at the wind pickup. Wow, this is crazy. I don't know, screw it. I've done more reckless stuff. Drove around my apartment complex to make sure my Subaru is going to be able to handle these conditions, and it looks like X mode is working pretty well. No problems whatsoever. So I'm going to go out into the city now, which is probably ill-advised, but oh well, I'm going to do it anyway. All right, here we go. Let's have some fun. This is awesome. This is probably incredibly reckless. Homeless are hunkered down. I was really worried that their camps weren't going to hold up to this. We don't want them freezing to death. Man, they are everywhere. Wow. This is crazy, man. We are a full-on blizzard. I am having too much fun. Just made it back from my drive. I'm gonna go back out in a little bit here, but that was me. That was me coming in. That was me going out. Pretty sweet. It's what makes a car a Subaru.